up, beautiful people? It is your homegirl, Miss Shameless, all up in your building. And this is her first video in 2018. And girl, where have you been? I have been living my life offline. You're one big happy family. I'm here in downtown LA for the Women's March. Because, to be quite honest, I just wasn't feeling YouTube. Real talk. I wasn't feeling YouTube. I wasn't feeling social media. And I really just wanted to live my life offline, which is what I did. And this is what happened. I will get to this. What did I do? I was traveling, spending time with my family, spending time creating. So here's a little backstory. Being a YouTuber started off as a hobby, and as many YouTubers have said, it turned into something that I just don't like anymore. YouTube evolved, it changed, and something that was a hobby turned into a job, a career, money, all of this and that and the third. And it made me realize, yes, I enjoy it, but what am I creating just because? Not for views, not for likes, not for engagement, not to help. Because a lot of my content on my channel, a lot of my videos on my channel are to help you boos. And then I started thinking like, who am I and what do I like? And just creating for me and not to post anywhere, just to have. So I've been doing a lot of that. I've been working and collaborating with a lot of other talented artists. I've been writing because yes, once upon a time your girl was acting, and I want to do that here on my channel, and I want to share that with you. Actually, Alaska's a Drag, for those of you that know, that was a film that we did, and info on that in the info box below. I also did God Complex, which was a show here on YouTube. You can check that out. But I would like to do more of that. If it wasn't about money, and if I was just to create something for myself, what would that look like? So I'm doing a lot of that. But let's address this thing. This thing on my head, this mop, okay? Heat damage. This is the real reason for this video. This is all heat damage, but my hair is growing out here. I got some new growth, girl. So I'm about to do a big chop. Why? Because I'm so over this. I was living for that ponytail life. But this has got to go. This is just a hot mess. I look like a bushwhacker. I'm gonna cut all of this off and hopefully let go of some energy from 2018 and start fresh for the new year. Get offline. Don't get sucked into the wormhole of social medias. Find balance. So let's see what my real curls look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna wash this so I can see where my curls start and where this heat damage starts. But let's find out. So my hair is wet, so I can see where the parts are curly and where the parts are damaged, hopefully. Oh my God, am I really doing this? I think I really am. Okay, let's just do this. As if I haven't done this before. Okay, we're doing this, Maya. We are so doing this. Okay. See, like, I can't tell. I can't tell. Like here. Oh my God. This feels so crazy. But you've done this before. It's been a minute. Re-recording. Okay. Oh, it's so hard to tell. Oh, I'm gonna have to. She gonna have to fix this later. Hair grows, right? So yeah, I've been living my life offline. There's just a lot happening. There's lots of noise. Like, see, some parts of my hair it's looser than others, so I just don't know. Oh God, girl. Let's just get to this front part where we can see. where it's noticeable. Yeah, there's so much noise online, so much chatter, and it's hard to hear myself when I'm in a loud ass room. So that's what I did. I went offline. I'm good. She good. Just trying to figure it all out. When I started my YouTube channel, it was an experiment to see what would happen. At the time, I was doing photography and acting. And this was a way for me to do more of that, so I thought. And then I kind of went from social media experiment to... oh, girl. Then I went from social media experiment to lifestyle, and that's been great. Like, don't get me wrong, I love doing what I do. But it's been 5 years now, and I would love to be doing more of the acting photography part. And I feel like a large part of me said, don't do that, because that doesn't pay the bills. Because at the time I had responsibilities, major responsibilities. Now I don't have those responsibilities. So I'm at this point where I'm just like, just create for yourself. What does that look like? So I did that, and I had a lot of fun, and I was just doing it for me, not to get likes, not to get comments, just do it. I had this vision in my head of a girl being born again from the ashes. A phoenix, if you will. She really went there. I feel absolutely... I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, here, like, I don't know what's... And then I'm gonna have to even this out later. Like, what is... See, girl, I can't tell. And this year, 2018, I just want to do more things out of passion and just cause. Not for no freaking algorithm. Like, I just want to do something for myself. And maybe it helps someone. And I think actually just living your best life is helping people. Like that. Like, what the heck is that? Oh, girl, what are you doing with your life? Just out here being shameless is all. Oh, it feels so much better. Okay, well, I'm done now. Not. I really don't want to continue this rat race. Be careful what you say, Maya. So, I really want to spend 2018 doing what fuels my heartbeat. I enjoy YouTube. I just need to tweak some of the things I do here. Things that I love doing here. Slumber Party. I miss Slumber Party. It was just a lot to produce. It costs a lot of money. Maybe I'll find a home for that on a podcast or something. Like this stuff here is like, is it dead? Is it heat damage? I can't tell. See, we're getting into the mullet zone. Here's to new beginnings, right? Oh my God. My boyfriend's gonna freak out. Actually, he told me to go ahead and do this because I kept saying I wanted to cut my hair, but I was hoping I could grow it out and like trim it, but I was just like impatient. This is crazy, Maya. You being so crazy, girl. Why you so crazy? And then here, the little hang time. She cute. Letting it all go. Goodbye, 2017. It was nice knowing you. Moving on. Moving on. Next. Who's next in line? Passions and dreams, please step up. Please step up to the plate. There she is. Oh my God. What is she? Oh God. Okay, now what about this? I can't even see that. How do you guys feel about YouTube? It has definitely changed, but with all things in life, change is inevitable. Ooh, this is overheating. So let me take a real quick break. Don't freak out. It was just heat damaged. Ugh. That's the look. I could sit here and tell you guys to love yourself, to all of that. I've done that. Watch this video. Do you, boo. Be shameless. Don't get stuck in the comfortable place. Comfortable maybe later on in life, but if you under 50, no. You haven't paid your dues yet. I'm so happy now. This shit, let me show you. This shit right here is gone. This dead stuff that I would play with every morning, like try to make something of it, just put it in a bun. No. This curlier stuff is in the back of my head, so that was less damaged, but I gotta even it out, so. That's that. Go live your life offline. Go see what the sun looks like. Go hang out with friends and family. Go read a book. Go see a play. Go to an exhibit. Play laser tag, paintball. Maybe you don't like guns. Archery. Paint. Do a painting. Pick up a camera. Take photos. Live your life. Live from here. Live from here. Try to find the balance. And you don't necessarily have to make every passion a money machine. That's what I'm learning. Try to figure out the balance of all of that, so. Girl, we're gonna have to do something cute with this. If y'all is new, or if you're not new and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and like this video if you like it. Comment below and let me know if money wasn't in the equation, how would you live your life? Let me know in the comments below, how would you live your life if money wasn't a part of the equation? I have some new goals for 2018, and that's to really and truly just embrace the things that make me happy and do more of that. And maybe not go to the extreme and just dropping all my responsibilities, because I have responsibilities, but do more of what makes you happy. Until next time, remember to do you, be you, and stay true, boo. Be shameless. Let's be cute too.